Hello guys, welcome to Average Student. Today we're going to learn how to factor a quadratic equation that has a constant in front of x squared, as you can see here. If you want to learn how to factorize a quadratic that does not have a constant in front of it, then please check my old video. So let's move ahead. So this is our example. Let's factorize 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. First, before we do anything, whenever you have a constant in front of x, what you want to do is multiply these two numbers. So 2 times 3 equals 6. And now what we need to find is two numbers that multiply to 6, because 3 times 2 is 6, and same two numbers that add up to 5. So to find these two numbers, let's create a table, because that's the easiest. So we need 5 and 6, so they need to add up to 5 and multiply to get 6. So first, how do we get 6? So 1 times 6 is 6, but 1 plus 6 is 7. So this is a no. Now, positive 2 times positive 3 is equal to 6. And when you add them up, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this works. So our numbers are positive 2 and positive 3. So now what we want to do is we want to take our original equation and split up the middle term. So we're going to write it like this. 2x squared plus, so you see this 5x, we're going to split it up using these two numbers that we got. So 2x plus 3x. Right? Because 2x plus 3x would equal to 5x. So it's the same thing. And then end it with positive 3 at the back. So now that we have our 4 terms, we want to treat the first two as a separate equation and the last two as a separate equation. Our next step is to fully factorize this term. So to fully factorize, what we need to do is take out 2x, so 2x, and then bracket, if you take out 2x from 2x squared, we will have x. And if you take out 2x from 2x, we will just have positive 1. So this is the factorized form of these first two terms. And now let's factorize the last two terms here at the back. What we have is 3x plus 3. So what we can do is take out 3, right, from both terms. So if you take out 3 from 3x, we will only have x, and if we take out 3 from 3, we will have 1. So at this point, you can check if you did it correctly by checking the terms in the bracket. So if these two are the same, then you did it correctly. So now what we do is we pair up these two terms. So we write them like 2x plus 3. And the terms in the bracket here, we just write them at the back here. And this is our final answer. Once again, we just write these two terms together in a bracket. And then the terms in the bracket, we write them at the back here. Now for practice, let me give you guys a couple of examples with answers so you guys can practice on your own. I hope this video helped you understand how to factorize quadratic with a constant in front of x squared. If you enjoyed the video, then please consider subscribing for future videos. Thanks.